We just want to mahalo Mary for having us. It's such an honor for me to share a stage with her. It's been a joy to just follow in her footsteps and to bring a few of my homana today. A few of my keiki, actually. Our halau is just, we will make 3 years old. And so we are we're a brand new halau and just trying to move forward. This past September, we took the competition stage for the 2nd year in a row, and my Kaiko Mahine presented this mele that I wrote for a very special man who comes from Kahalu'u, Waihe'e to be exact. And his name was Opo Eldin Kukahiko, who played a huge role in our lives. And so I wrote this mele and we presented it on a competition stage. And just at 2 years young, our halau, these girls took first. So we weren't able to bring everybody, but we're just proud of you. So they share with this mele with you. Ayayi Waihe'e o Kukahiko. He kanakay umumawat ko hanaya heba kabaha